The Chrysler Turbine Car is an automobile powered by a turbine engine which was produced by Chrysler from 1963 to 1964. Its body was made by the Italian design studio Ghia, and Chrysler completed its assembly in Detroit. The Chrysler turbine engine program that produced the turbine car began during the late 1930s and created multiple prototypes that successfully completed numerous long-distance trips in the 1950s and early 1960s. The A831 engines that powered the Ghia-designed turbine car could operate on many different fuels, required less maintenance, and lasted longer than conventional piston engines, although they were much more expensive to produce. A total of 55 cars were built, 5 prototypes and a limited run of 50 cars for a public user program. The car's design was created by Elwood Engel in the Chrysler studios. A 2-door hardtop coupe, it featured power brakes, power steering, and a torque flight transmission, and was coated with a metallic, root beer-colored paint known as turbine bronze. After testing, Chrysler conducted a user program from October 1963 to January 1966 that involved 203 individual drivers in 133 different cities across the United States, cumulatively driving more than 1 million miles. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.